What sport is most popular in Europe? Football. Which European country is famous for the traditional dish, goulash? Hungary. Who was the first Chancellor of Unified Germany in 1871? Otto von Bismarck. In Greek mythology, who is the king of the gods? Zeus. What European country is known for the fjords? Norway. What famous battle marked the end of Napoleon's reign? Battle of Waterloo. Which British king had 6 wives? Henry VIII. What river flows through the city of Rome? Tiber. What is the traditional bread of Greece called? Pitta. Where is the headquarters of the European Central Bank located? Frankfurt.